Hi guys, we are the Z family and welcome to our channel. Welcome in beautiful city Belfast in Northern Ireland. We're so happy today that we have such an amazing weather to stroll around this beautiful city. So stay with us to show you more. Andrei, you know we are not in Ireland anymore. Yeah, we are in Northern Ireland, UK. Yeah, it's a different country. Yeah, it's the same island, but it's a different country in Northern Ireland.
And we are in Belfast now.
Yeah, Belfast. What did you say? Did you say with my short memory? You are so good.
I'm so smart. Yeah, thank you.
Watch out, babe.
Watch out for all the cars.
Watch out. Now, Krista. Okay, we are in city center.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's so cute.
You want to make a call?
As you already know, your support is very important, so don't forget to...
Like and subscribe.
Where are we going now, Krista?
We are going in the largest shopping mall in Belfast.
Yeah, what's the name
Victoria
of
Square, I
Victoria
think.
Square shopping?
Yes, in that one, baby. Go do some shopping. Retail therapy. Guys, look at this, they're so cute. Yes, babe. Oh, wow, that's amazing. So this is perfect for my lunch when I go to work.
You go to work?
Oh wait, I work from home. Sorry. I am starving.
We're starting to eat, but I don't know what it's called.
Okay. Yes.
I decided that shop or that whatever it is,
You want Five Guys?
there. Yeah, I can smell chicken burger.
Jesus, guys, it's freezing in Five Guys.
So we're not gonna eat there.
We're not going there, guys. It's
So cold.
so cold.
Oh my god, let's try this slim chicken. Slimy
I
chicken.
never tried Nando's. I prefer Nando's, I think.
You never tried Nando's?
Never.
After all, we picked Nando's. Yeah.
The reason is because I never had Nando's.
You never had Nando's before. Can you guys imagine that?
No.
By the way, what's your favorite dish from Nando's? And then we will show you what we picked for us and for the girls. Have a bite.
Let's see.
It's good?
Not too bad. It's a bit dry.
A bit dry, but not.
It's
Avocado, chicken, something and something.
chicken.
Chicken.
Oh my god. So spicy.
Let's try the salad as well. The rice salad. Oh no, it's a salad. It's not a salad. What's this? Rice something.
Nothing special. Good. Not too bad.
Healthy.
I'll take it. The hummus is good. Do you love your veggie? Your broccoli? You love it? Yeah?
Okay, we're all done with the dinner.
Everybody's happy.
Oh my god, ice cream. That's okay. The girls are having some ice cream. And
My opinion
what do you
was
think?
okay. Not that bad.
Out of 10, what number would you give? What score? I would give it 6.5.
Let's say 7.
7, yeah.
7. The wrap was amazing. It was your
yes.
fault because it was very hot.
Very spicy.
The wrap was nice.
Yeah, the wrap was the best. Burger
So
was
basic, so
very dry.
dry.
Chicken was okay, but just chicken. Corn was very dry. Like,
So dry. It's moving.
okay. Otherwise, everything good.
Next destination, guys.
Next destination.
Where are we going from here?
Oh my god. So our day in Belfast is almost done. We had a wonderful day here. We strolled the streets a bit, had a nice dinner. I wish we had time to have a dessert as well, but it's already
It's 6 o'clock.
yeah, it's actually almost 7 o'clock, so everything is closed. Maybe we can find Starbucks or something.
I'm dying for a coffee.
Yeah, me too. So we might have a coffee before we go. Yeah, it was very nice.
It's close to our house. It's 1 hour and a half.
1 hour 20 minutes from our drive from our house, so it's actually pretty nice. We are actually gonna come again here because I didn't manage to do too much shopping. They have very nice shops with loads of discount. We actually came here to buy some shoes for our kids, and of course we didn't get the chance to buy shoes. So we have to come again. I actually enjoyed it so much, and next time we can stay overnight. Yeah, definitely.
In the end, don't forget to hit that button, that like and subscribe, and leave some comments.
If you want to see more content, of course.
Yeah.